Mm-hmm. Welcome to Natural Wigs. This is a tutorial to show you different things that you could do with the fiber of Natural. We're 100% synthetic, but a high-end synthetic made out of a polymer fiber that is heat resistant. And because it's heat resistant, it's a little bit of a challenge to catch the heat. So we find that by putting curling irons to about 2/3 of the way to the hottest, you will be able to create a curl. Yes, our hair is soaking wet. We find that it really, really takes the curl very well like that. You could do it dry if you're afraid, but it really, really grabs the curl very, very well. Now, if I decided to leave that curling iron just a little bit longer, you'll see that the curl will be a little bit stronger. We let that dry naturally, or if you have a wig oven, you could put it on low in the wig oven for about 10 minutes and the whole thing will dry beautifully. As you notice, we have no spray. We do leave a little bit of the conditioner in the wig, which you'll see on the first tutorial that shows you how to wash our wigs. So therefore, we don't need any kind of oil to protect the fiber. We really recommend Moroccan oil. All their hair products are great with our wigs. The mousse, the hairspray, and the shampoos and conditioners. So basically, you'll get the same curl, but it will probably hold for you a little bit longer. But if you're afraid, you could do it for that amount of time. Now I'm going to do the same exact thing with a smaller section and a smaller curling iron. And you'll see that you could get a different type of a curl. Now you hear the singeing, don't be afraid of that. I didn't even really squeeze out the water too much when I towel dried the hair. I just find it works the best that way. But if you're afraid, dry it more. It just takes longer. Smaller curl. Now we could do some kind of a beach wave as well. I'll show you how to do that. We'll take a larger section of hair and make sure you comb through, just as if you would with regular human hair, just to make sure that there are no knots. I'm going to leave my curling iron open, or of course you could use a wand, whatever you prefer. I usually count to 10 in my mind. Get a beautiful little beach wave. Now, believe it or not, that same fiber of the same wig because we're just curling iron straight. It'll dry straight, or you could blow dry it straight, or you could just let it air dry. I happen to love to use my flat iron for curl as well. Get a little bit different kind of a look out of it. If you notice, I have to tug a little bit just because my flat iron's a little bit dirty. And you get a pretty curl like that.